OrbAid's new exciting AI micro workflows and how they can save you an exponential amount of time. So the first thing you'll notice right when you log into OrbAid, either on your mobile phone or desktop, is this new green message box here with a number of off-the-shelf workflows that are very powerful and designed to do hundreds of calculations in seconds to, again, just really expedite your work. So the first thing we're going to try is one of these workflows, and we'll click this Tailor project to site. And this is going to allow us to tailor a project to a site, part number, piece of equipment, really, really granular, exactly what we want. So once that's selected, it becomes dark green. Then we'll go to this button we call Project Details page, and we just have to answer a couple questions, and we'll be able to get a very custom project very quickly. So the first thing is the type of project that we're after. Are we after, say, a manufacturing project, supply chain, facilities, packaging? We get to select any one of those. And from there, we get a couple more screen or input fields that pop up. One of them is this process optimization, which allows us to select essentially what we call dynamic project templates. So they're project templates that allow us to just change a couple dynamic variables and saves us a ton of time. So we'll show you. Select this optimize injection molding, and instantly we get a title that got pulled in, a specific part number, company, plant, and then a series of formulas from resin mass to energy reduced to emissions to water to cooling water, water reduced, employee time, operator time, time saved, really everything we need from energy to cost to ROI payback period implementation time. So we also have reference data. And so this specific part is 51. So what we'll do is we will change this project from 51 to 52. So we'll select that, and we can also change any of these variables. But first, we'll generate a baseline formula. And what that's going to do, it's going to change out those variables in the formula, things like part weight, the amount of resin used, cycle time, from part 51 to 52. It's going to do all that in about a second. So we're already done. And you can see this here, and all these variables are now swapped out. And so from here, what we can do is change any of these variables. So you can see the resin per part before optimization had a scrap of 6%, and then after optimization, some number lower than that, they have 5. We'll change that to 4, essentially reducing the scrap further. And we can click now. We can actually change the plant location as well. So maybe we want to run to Fremont, Ohio. And then we will click run on the home screen. And then from here, it'll calculate that change of scrap, recalculate all those formulas from water to energy savings, and give us the end project and all the mathematically right answers so that we can get quicker approval and get down to business faster. Perfect. So our project's ready. You can see a hyperlink we can click on really quickly. We'll click on that, and you can see as we scroll through here, I changed that 5% to 4%. It recalculated all these numbers, over 250 calculations in under a second. And it gave us all of the data points from cost reduction to emissions to water to energy to time saved. And so all I have to do from here is just click Save Project, and it instantly dumps it into the next stage in the simple 3-step workflow, the Save bucket. From there, we can assign a team member and a budget to it, and then take it to its final stage in that 3-step workflow, the active project, to ultimately generate those results.